and welcome to my channel. This is me Suparna and today's video is all about skincare and my experiments with retinol and Revibra A15 by Dr. Reddy's lab in specific. Now this is something I've been using for the last 20-25 days and I have to say a lot about it. This was recommended to me by Dr. Jyoti of Skin Nature, Jaipur, and she realized that I was undergoing a lot of skin troubles. So this was her recommendation on, fixing my skin. They say that Revibra or retinol can give you a new skin and also removes your wrinkles and your spots and your other skin, superficial skin issues. So I got this from Amazon for myself, and for a very long time this thing was sitting on my counter because I was trying out a whole lot of other things at that time, and I thought, let me finish one regimen and before I jump into another. And I'm so glad that I did, because this did wonders to my skin. This one retailed for, this is like a round disc, can pass off for a disc case, and it comes with 30 veggie capsules, one for each day of the month, and has to be used at night, has to be stored at a temperature below 25 degrees, and next day you must follow up with sunscreen. This is what the veggie cap looks like. This could pass off as a ornament, and this is the cap. You twist it open and what comes out of it is clear gel, which is the purest form of retinol or vitamin A. Vitamin A in cosmetic terms is called retinol, and in medical terms is called retinoid. So if this was prescribed to you by a doctor, it would be a retinoid and not a retinol. But in the cosmetic community, this one is sold as retinol and not retinoid. But this, however, is the purest form of vitamin A. So what you do is that you apply it at night, and you do not apply it on areas which have which are sensitive, especially your under eyes. You never apply retinol here, and then you leave it on for the entire night. It's very light. It doesn't really cause any problem on the skin. You don't feel like you're wearing anything thick or heavy on your skin, and then next morning you wash it off. After washing it off, you do your whole skin regimen and you follow it up with a sunscreen, and sunscreen is of utmost importance in case you are going to be applying this for a long duration, as in you are going to continue the course. I think one should do an entire course, like if you've got a disc like this, it's got 30 veggie caps, finish it and then switch to some other skin routine, and that will also be a great gap between regimens. So this was a part of my night care routine, and I would wash my face and then I would pat it dry and then I would apply this retinol. Next day morning I would as usual wash my face and do my skin regimen. So what I would do is that I would put my toner, I would put my vitamin C serum, I would apply my sunscreen, and sunscreen is of utmost importance. In the 3 or 4 days while I was using this, I saw my skin was cracking everywhere, and I could see immediately that the skin was slowing off, and here it would actually hurt a lot. It had actually turned black. That was totally my mistake, because I did not bother to read the instructions properly. But let me give it to you as a warning that you do not put it on any skin which is sensitive or which is in an irritable state. So this was the 3rd or the 4th day, but however I continued, because I was seeing this glow on my forehead. I would see this shine on my gloss on my forehead. I have to say that this is very fast at fixing your skin. It is very fast at fading away acne marks. I do feel it makes your skin very smooth, especially if you have wrinkled skin. It will smoothen out the your skin to a great extent. I was using this veggie cap 1 per day, I could see the results immediately. I didn't require a whole veggie cap, so I would use just half a veggie cap and keep it for the next night. And that is how, you know, even after having used it for 25 days, I still have 4 veggie caps left in there. For me, it faded away my acne spots, it faded away my acne scars, it made my skin smooth, it also lightened my complexion, and I actually don't really have wrinkle issues right now. But I'm sure all those which were lurking beneath the surface also seem to be getting smoothened out. I'm sorry for the background noise, my son is running amok. If you want to fix your skin, this is a very good investment. Precautions: use it only at night. Do not use it on skin which is sensitive or broken or irritated. Next day, wear your sunscreen. Never, never, never skip sunscreen. Do not use any peels, exfoliants for till such time you are using this retinol cream. Do not use AHAs and BHAs because that will again make your skin super sensitive. Do not follow any other skincare routine. Revibra A15 as such is a very potent skincare cream. Do not combine this with any other treatment. And I don't know how this goes with the pregnant women. I don't have any idea on that. So if you are pregnant and you want to go for Revibra A15, better consult a doctor first. What it does not do, it does not fade away your sunspots. It will not fade away your sunspots at all. So that is all I wanted to say about Revibra A15. My experience has been pretty good, and once this is over, I'm going to give it a break. I'll go in with my Pixi Overnight Glow Serum, give it like, you know, 15 days, 20 days, 25 days time, and then probably another round of Revibra A15. So thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I shall make many more such videos on skincare, makeup and all that you want to watch. So post your comments in the comment section, and in case you have used Revibra A15, I would love to hear your experiences. So please share them with me. Thank you and take care, and bye bye. Mwah.